Okay, so I've composed a short presentation to expose some really good resources for learning Go programming. So let's get started. First resource I have on my list is Effective Go, which is part of the official Golang website, and it's pretty much an adapted Go documentation page, and it's a must-read for new Go users. It's really good. So if I just pull it up here, you've got an introduction to Go. It's a very long page which you can navigate through at the beginning and look for what you're looking for. So for example, if you want to look at the for loops, you can click on for and it'll take you to the for loop section. So it's an interesting site to visit. Next resource is the Golang Specification, another site part of the official Golang website, and it's pretty much the complete manual for Go programming. If you want to learn about the language, the internals, it's a must visit. Again, let me pull it up here. Here we go. It's similar to Effective Go, but obviously much longer. It's got everything you can think of in Go. So the different types you can have. I'll show you examples. Here you go. So it's also a very good resource. Next is GoTalk, and this is a resource to look for packages on GitHub and make it easier than just searching them on Google, because this website narrows down all the Go packages available on GitHub and Bitbucket. So if I pull it up once again, here we go. You might have seen this website already featuring one of my videos. It's a website which shows you some popular packages, and you can search for packages such as if you want to create GUI programs, you can go for the Qt bindings by the recipe, and it'll show you the path to download, and it'll have the documentation on it. So it's another very good resource for finding Go packages. Okay, finally I've mentioned two books here, which I've both read, and I think they're both probably the best books to get started. The first one is The Go Programming Language by Alan Donovan and Brian Kernighan. It's available on Amazon, as well as the second one, Programming in Go by Mark Summerfield. They're both really good books. They go through all the fundamentals in detail, and I would recommend reading them if you could get your hands onto them. And finally, I wanted to add some YouTube channels which are also very active with Go. First one's Todd McLeod. You might know him also from his Udemy course on Golang. He's constantly uploading live streams and talks and tutorials on Go, so it's quite an interesting channel to visit once you know more about Go. And the second one is, rather than a channel, is a video by Derek Banas, which shows you, it's a synthesized video of all the fundamentals of Go in about an hour, so that's a pretty good video to look at. And if you think I've missed out any important resources out there on the internet, just leave a comment and I'll probably add them onto the description.